Hey guys, I'm Christina from The Organic Spade, and today I'm going to be repotting this banana plant. So this guy has been with me for a little over a month, I think, and he's growing really quick. So this new leaf just opened up yesterday. Oh, look at it. It's so soft. Just can't stop touching it. And he desperately needs a new pot because his roots are already growing out of the pot, and the poor guy just doesn't have any room to stretch his feet. So the new pot I have is an 18-inch pot, which seems to be big enough for now at least. So let's get started. So I just love this soil because it's got so much of life in it. It's nutrient rich. It's got cocopeat, vermiculite, vermicompost, perlite, and a bunch of other stuff I can't remember. But I just love it. I use this for all of my plants, and they're all doing very, very well. So I got this from Amazon, and I'm going to leave the link in the description in case you guys want to check it out. Alright, so now I need to get this guy out of his pot. Come on out now. There we go. Look at these roots. Look at this guy. The poor guy had no room for his feet to stretch out. Look at it. It hardly had any roots a month ago, and right now it's just growing. Okay. So, yeah, much better. Sometimes I get the feeling I'm gonna run out of soil. But no, I do have another bag of soil, and hopefully that's gonna be enough. Okay, so I'm done repotting this little fella in his new pot, and he's all set to go down in my building. I have given him a generous amount of water to help him, recoup from the transplanting and all of that. Now I'm just gonna wait for him to grow and give me lots of fruit. Please grow and give me lots of fruit. I promise I'll take care of you. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys in the next one.